Hello friends, how are you? Today we shall discuss about inline elements. In our last video we discussed about the block level element. Today we will copy this whole document and paste it here because there is some relevance. In the last lecture we had this paragraph, and also after this on the next line we had another paragraph. Both are block level elements. That means they capture the whole width of the document. Let us see the output. So you see here is the output, and if we inspect it, like if you right click and inspect it, then you see the first paragraph, it is, although content width is very small, but it is capturing the whole width of the document. So the next element cannot come up and sit after the enjoy this paragraph. So now we shall discuss about the inline element, how inline element will behave. Instead of paragraph tag we shall now use span tag. So span, I'll copy this and paste it. So the span element does not capture the whole width of the document. Here it does not capture the whole width of the document. So what will happen, the bottom element will come up. So let's reload. Sorry, maybe let me see again. So this is inline element. So we have to open the inline element. So this is the inline element. So here is the output. If we inspect this, you see we have two elements and within them there is some white space. You see on the code there is some white space here, and then the top element, because it is inline element, it captures only the width. So here up to this point, so you see it is on the Firefox browser, it shows very well, and the next element is capturing this amount of area, you see here only. So they come after one another. If we add another element, let's try to add. So here I will copy this and add this another element, and let's check the output. Whatever else, reload. So we have another element. So this is the width or position and width of the another element, third element, and the second element captures only this much. It is showing only 36 pixels width. So the third element rises up and sits next to the second element. So this is the difference between the block level element and inline element. So this difference is very important for organizing pages properly. Later it will be very important when we will use HTML and CSS to construct our web page. That is it for today. See you again. Thank you.